Hi, hello friends, welcome everyone to Precision Price Action Pro Trader Series. This is your buddy Ashok Devanampriya. Friends, today I have come with a very interesting topic, the greed called crypto. Crypto has been one of the most lucrative, exciting, creative, volatile assets that the financial markets have been seeing from the last 2 to 3 years, right? In fact, everybody thought that cryptocurrencies are always a sure shot opportunity to make sizable fortune. Yes, many of you have lost money in the recent crypto fall. I would like to today tell you a great story about one of my friend who made extensive investments in crypto. And there is quite a serious learnings from him, and let's deep dive into the story. Sounds good. This is a story of my close buddy, my ex-colleague. His name is Mr. R. Alright, I am not going to disclose more details about him. You can call him as Mr. R. It all started on a particular day after the last Bitcoin fall. He called me one day and said, Ashok, can you give me the levels for Bitcoin? I asked him, why do you want levels? Why do you want levels? Don't get into Bitcoin because they are risky assets. Alright. So, I am talking about this fall, okay, this fall. When this fall came, that is when he called me way back in late 2021. So, what actually happened? He called me in the night and told, I have sizable investments in cryptos and I want the levels, because most of the cryptocurrencies take the trend of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is bullish, the rest of the currencies will go bullish. If Bitcoin is bearish, the rest of the currencies will go bearish. I said, I don't understand why you get into it. First of all, it is illegal in India those days, not now. In the recent, the statement from the finance minister, she told that Bitcoins do attract taxes. Now they have made it fairly legal, but however, those days it was not legal in nature. What happened? I said, I will look at the levels to you, okay? I will tell you the levels, but I want to know how much money you have invested. Ashok, I made a fortune and I have lost that money. How much you invested? How much was the fortune? How much you lost? He said he made 47 lakhs, 50 lakhs roughly 50 lakhs kind of investment, and that valuation went all the way high to about 10 crores. From 10 crores, that valuation came all the way down to 3.5 crores. First of all, why would an investment in Bitcoin go from 50 lakhs to 10 crores? That itself is a unimaginable story. When I asked him, come on, you can't say this because Bitcoin never traveled that much. He said, Ashok, Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency. There are so many other currencies like Ripple, Nano and many other currencies. When I went and deep dive into Nano, okay, so this is a kind of journey it started with. From almost 1 rupee, the asset went to 18 rupees. Alright, and then again the very next month, in a single month, it came all the way down to 4 rupees. Can you imagine a 1 rupee asset, maybe a 2 rupee asset, here it is, like, alright, let's take it as 4 rupees. I would like to take this level. Let's say we entered here, okay, yeah, this guy. That is about 5 rupee, it went all the way to 17-18 rupees, and the very next day it came down and closed at 6 rupees. That's a kind of volatility it showed. Yes, I then understood how he made so much of money, and finally he told me, Ashok, there were days I used to go to bed, get up in the morning and I make about 1 crore plus in portfolio. Now he has come to a situation, he sleeps in the night, wakes up next morning with 1 crore loss in the portfolio. And he told that is the primary reason why he is in such a situation. Status quo, 50 lakhs investment went all the way to almost 10 crores kind of portfolio, and from there he came all the way down to about 3.5 crores. So I told him, my friend, you have invested about 45 lakhs to be precise, not even 50, 45 lakhs. You have invested 45 lakhs and you are sitting on a 3.5 crores worth of portfolio. Why don't you cut 50% of it? Your 3.5 crores becomes roughly about 1.75 crores, which is more or less about 4 times the total money that you have invested. 6 months time, 400% return is a mind blowing return. My recommendation is, the market is not clear, there is abnormal volatility, nobody knows where it is heading. Please cut off this and take 50% of the money. He said, Ashok, I had seen an MTM of 10 crores. I said, this 10 crores is illusion. That is not real. That is not true. Don't get carried away by it. All I am telling you is, focus on what is there. Cut off 50. You know what he did? He never listened to me. Fast forward, couple of months down the line, I again called him. Or, what is the status of your portfolio? He said, Ashok, it's still bad. There are some problems, and some of the cryptos in my wallets are stolen. How can somebody comes and steal your currency or crypto from your wallet? He said, yeah, it's possible. You can go and Google about it. The currency name is called as Nano. Yeah, Nano is the one. Okay, he had invested some money in Ripple also. This is Ripple. Same is the story. This is a level. From almost like 0.4 it went to 2, 5x growth, and again it came down to same level in a span of 2 months. I asked him, what's the final status now? He said, Ashok, the balance is close to 50, roughly about 50, or maybe 50, 60 kind of thing. So I said, if you had listened to me, by this time you would have booked 1.75 crores worth of profit, and you would be sitting roughly at around 25 lakhs worth of currency. There was nothing for you to lose. Today you are in a situation where your value has dropped to almost close to the break-even levels. What went wrong? Why the hell he was supposed to play such a game? See this. This is the level which I am talking. He was busy here. Okay. I don't even think that he would again capture this moment, because I am sure he went here and he is still down here today. I am 200% sure, because he believed in the asset and its future. Now what I am trying to tell you guys is, the MTM that you see is an illusion. It is not true until you book the profit. In case of R, he invested about 45 lakhs of capital, which went on to almost 10 crores. 10x? No, it's 20x. And then came back again to 50 lakhs level. When I talked to him, he says, Ashok, I still believe that Bitcoin is a $100,000 story. If he had followed some basic principles, basic rules, some little essence of risk management, position sizing, money management, he would have done much better. The root cause of all these problems, is greed. Greed is a cause of all miseries. The biggest problem with traders today is they extensively go and focus on returns, they never focus on risk. The day you ignore the risk component, your return will be a walk, a roller coaster ride. There is nothing that is guaranteed. I am a professional trader who strongly believe in mitigating the risk. The moment you mitigate the risk, it throws you mind-blowing possibilities. It could be some profit, more profit, a lot more profit. But the fact of the matter is, it will not drain your capital. I was talking to him recently, maybe about 1 month ago. Asked him, what is the current status now? He said, most of the cryptos are down, don't ask me anything about my portfolio. I've stopped looking at it. I've literally stopped looking at it. And remember, in spite of all this drama that he has gone through, his crypto portfolio is less than 10% of his portfolio, which is the only good thing he did ever in his life as far as his crypto investment is concerned. I repeat, his crypto investment is less than 10% of his overall portfolio, and because of which I am sure he is able to sustain. However, he lost a golden opportunity. He got almost 20x kind of profit, but he didn't exit at the right time. So in financial market, it's not about making money, it's also about exiting at the right time, not just entry at the right time. The focus should be on both entry and exit. Alright, so if you want to meet him in person, probably you guys have to come to my office. I can even arrange a meeting with him. I talked to him once in 3 months now. He is still in the corporate world. He works in one of the fintech companies as a product manager, and he still believes in the story of crypto, and he strongly believes that Bitcoin is a $100,000 asset class. Alright, so in the next video, I will come back to you with some more interesting stories. Until then, signing off, Ashok from Traders Gurukul. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders, and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is IT3T Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T: genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager